Hello student, how are you? Fine. Okay. Income and other criteria. When we look the individually aspirations and goal, we considered not only the income, we consider the other facilities which help to the indicate the goals, just like freedom, respect, similarity, equality, equal treatments, and the so other factors are indicate to the developments of the people. When we work at office, we naturally find out the similarity and the freedom. Why? It is a modern era, and it is a time to the change, and the goal is the different for the different people. Only earning is not a goal of a person. There is so many aspects are the goal goal of a people in these times. Only he not earn money is the proper way to the earning the goals. He is a mature person, and he identify the different types of the aspects of the developments. Only earning income is not a proper and individual aspect of the development individual of persons. There is so many times there is a people work hard, but he only want to the money. It is not appropriate to say at a present, because present time there is not the people do the more earning. He want to different types of the facilities in a job. So we say that today we are considered to the not on the basis of the income to the developments of a people. We consider the other criteria and other factors to the considerations of the goal. Just like in here, when we consider the states to the developments criteria, there is so many factors are the available, just like industrial sectors, education sectors, health sectors, and the other facilities of the states. But when we consider, how can we consider to the types of the facilities? It is the other way to the considers the developments of the state. But when we consider the development, the per head capita income is the appropriate manner to the development. Just like figure 1.3, we consider the Haryana, Kerala, and the Bihar. The three states per head capita income according to the 15 and 16. 1,62,034 Haryana, 1,40,190 rupees in Kerala, and the lowest 31,454 in Bihar. Why is the difference between the Haryana, Kerala, and the Bihar? There is the basically difference to the income, because Haryana and the Kerala, Haryana is the most agriculture sectors. We know that here is the agriculture is the developed to the other states. So the income of the main source of the income are agricultures and the other agriculture related activities. So income is the available here. Kerala, we know that the literacy rates of the Kerala is the highest, and so he finds the much better job opportunities. So income is the high. But Bihar, less literacy rate, less industrial development, and the less other facilities is the dominant to the Bihar for per head capita income. So all the three states, when we comparison, we say that the Haryana and Kerala is the rich in job facilities and the education facilities, so he easily find out the job. But the Bihar have less than the education, less in education, less in job facilities, is created to the less income of the people. So there is a different way to the earning the income. It is a depend on the situations and the criteria of the state. So we say that when we consider the developments of the states, we must be the calculate the per head capita income of the some other criteria to the find out the developed states. Which is the developed states? There is some criteria just like mortality rate, literacy rates. When we see the table 1.4, we look at Haryana mortality rate 33 per thousand and literacy rate 82 per thousand according to the 2016 and 2011. Kerala 10 and literacy rate 19.4 and Bihar 38 and 62. There is so many differences when we consider the literacy rate of the Haryana, Kerala and the Bihar. 82% is Haryana and 94% the highest literacy rates of the Kerala, and 62% it is the more affected to the earning the income. It's a help to the find out the job opportunities and the other works activities. At that situations when the literacy rate is the less to the other states, these situations Bihar has not find out the efficient job opportunities, so his income is a very less. So there is a different criteria to consider the determine the difference between the two and more than the two states. Okay, thank you. Meet you next class.